Once upon a time, in a coral reef far, far away, lived a little moray eel named Tim. He was unique, with his stripes and twisty frame. And he loved to swim around his home, just the same. One day, Tim felt a little blue. He didn't know why, he just didn't feel like his usual hue. He swam around, exploring, searching for a clue. But all he found was the same old reef, just like he knew. Tim met a friendly sea turtle named Tilly, who asked, "What's wrong, Tim? You seem rather chilly." "I'm just feeling blue, Tilly," Tim replied with a sigh. "I wish I could find a way to make the change, but I can't figure why." Tilly thought for a moment, then she grinned. "I think I know just what might help to mend your blue mood, Tim. I've heard of a magical pond where the water brings happiness to those who've lost it, once they've wandered." Tim's eyes sparkled with curiosity and hope. He thanked Tilly and set off, ready to embark and cope. With every stroke, he swam further and further, searching for the magical pond, for he had no other. After a long journey, Tim reached the pond. Its waters glowed with a soft, radiant bond. He dipped in, and instantly felt a change. His blue mood lifted, he felt new and strange. Tim swam back to the reef, with joy in his heart. He was no longer Tim the Blue, but Tim the brightest art. And every day he'd visit the pond, where he'd remember that true friendship and self-love are where we belong. The end.